Kanalımızı takip edip abone olmayı unutmayalım.
I better shop for more accessories for my fishing pole.
Thanks for calling Ramazan. What would you like to order?
Hi there. I need to buy hooks, bobbers, and bait.
Okay, we will get your order ready. Are you ready for the next order?
Ready as can be, boss. Who is the next order from?
From Eagle.
Okay, what did he order?
He ordered fishing accessories. Go to aisle
4.
for hooks.
Try again.
Got them.
Now aisle 6.
For bobbers.
Okay, next one.
Great. Aisle 9.
For bait.
Not quite.
I got all 3 boxes.
Fantastic, hamster. Now drive those boxes over to the conveyor belt so they can be taken to the delivery truck. Move the boxes onto the conveyor belt. The delivery truck is waiting.
Now you'll need to pack Eagle's hooks order. Eagle needs
8.
hooks.
Pull the handle when all set. Almost. Need to pack more. Remember,
Eagle needs
8.
hooks.
All done.
Time to pack the bobbers. Eagle ordered
4.
bobbers.
Oh, no, still not enough. Remember,
Eagle ordered
4.
bobbers.
Good to go.
Now we just need Eagle's bait order packed. Eagle wants
9.
baits.
All set to be delivered.
Good work. Time to deliver the order. Place crates in the truck. Make sure to place the crates in the correct order onto the truck.
Give it another try.
Awesome! Let's go!
Let's have some fun while we drive. Tap or swipe in different directions while I am driving. Uh-oh, I forgot to get the address before I left. I need to call Eagle to get his exact address. I'm a safe driver. Can you call for me? Here's the number.
5, 6, 3, 6, 4, 3, 5.
Sorry, wrong number. Dial again.
5, 6, 3, 6, 4, 3, 6.
Hey, I am not available now. Sorry, leave a message.
Oh well, we'll have to ask someone when we get there. Let's try floor number 2.
Think again.
Let's try floor number 2. Hi, do you know where Eagle lives?
No, but Monkey does, and she lives 1 floor up.
Hi, do you know where Eagle lives?
Sure, he lives 2 floors up.
Great, you are home. I have your order.
Could you help me catch fish, please? Press on the button to let me know how deep the fish are. Excellent! Let's catch another fish. Super! Let's catch one more fish. Super!
İzlediğin için teşekkür ederiz. Diğer videolarımızı izlemeyi unutma.